Hello, Scorpio. Welcome dito sa aking channel, Scorpio. Alamin natin kung anong messages, vibration, gabay, energy para sa inyong lahat. This is for the week 22. So, December 22 hanggang December 28, 2025. So, weekly tarot reading tayo, Scorpio. Please connect your intuition sa lahat ng Scorpio na nandito. Okay, so ano ba ang message? Okay, ang dami nito. So, Scorpio. Ray. These are spiritual helpers, guys. Okay, Ray or Raya. Ray or Raya siya. Or Ray, Rayo, Raya. Fiona and Teresa. From Raya, okay, sabihin na lang natin na Raya. From spiritual helper Raya. Sinasabi sa Scorpio na napaka-importante yung yoga and exercise, lalo na sa well-being mo, sa katawan mo. Importante din yung peace of mind and spiritual growth sa ngayon. So, if you don't have time to spend with the spirit, diba, with God, you need to have parang ample time, or you need to have time, parang gano'n. Okay? So, importante din na mag-relax. Importante din na mag-exercise. Importante na magkaroon ng peace of mind. Okay, so this is the first message. And the second message from spiritual helper Fiona. Okay, so from Fiona, sinasabi na, now that you've asked the angels for help, be open to receiving divine guidance and assistance. You deserve heaven's help, diba? So, ang message na to ay parang sinasabi sa'yo na deserve mo na tumanggap ng biyaya. Deserve mo na tumanggap ng biyaya from God and from your helpers. So, ngayon daw na pinag-pray mo na lahat, just wait and be receptive sa kung ano man na guidance na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. Alright. And the last card natin is from Teresa. Time out. Oh. Resonated siya from Raya na sinasabi na masyado ka daw na busy. Busy taking care of everyone. So, masyado ka bang workaholic, people pleaser, parang ganun. So, now daw, this is the perfect time to stop and take care of your own self. So, baka oras na para self-love mo na. Sarili mo muna yung asikasuhin mo. Okay, Scorpio. So, eto, yung message na to in Raya, they're the same. Na, it's either workaholic ka, or it's either this week ay makakaramdam ka ng pagod. You need to take a rest. You need to think na importante yung rest. Okay, what else? Okay, tingnan natin. I hope guys na align siya. Scorpio. Okay. Okay, High Priestess. King of Pentacles. Queen of Wands. And Eight of Pentacles. So, yung 4 cards dito, sinasabi ng barahan na there's some incoming na job offer, or there's an incoming hidden, parang ganun, naka-hidden pa siya. So, yung Eight of Pentacles, this is job. King of Pentacles, this is job. This is money. This is source of income. This is source of money. And financial freedom. So, sinasabi dito, Scorpio, na may paparating sa'yo. So, there's an incoming financial offer. There's an incoming financial windfall. And this windfall ay posibleng magdadala sa'yo ng financial freedom. Magdadala sa'yo ng financial gain. Na pwede mong mabayaran yung mga utang mo. Pwede mong makuha lahat ng dapat makuha mo, parang ganun. Or lahat ng mga gusto mong i-purchase, lahat ng gusto mong ma-enjoy financially, luxurious life. Yun yung sinasabi ng baraha. So, there's a hidden. Hindi pa siya lumalabas sa ngayon, but incoming pa lang siya. Alright, so, reverse ng Seven of Pentacles. So, parang nakikita natin dito, there's someone na naghihintay sa'yo. Maybe they're waiting for your money. They're waiting for your gift. They're waiting, or maybe you're waiting for promotion or salary increase. Huwag kang masyadong atat kasi parating na siya. So, huwag mong sirain yung momentum. Okay? So, just wait. Be patient and wait. Diba? So, doon sa naghihintay ng victory and success, if you're waiting your success, if you're waiting for money, if you're waiting for promotion, if you're waiting for contract signing, if you're waiting for a visa, sinasabi dito ng bara, you need to wait. Okay, nakakapagod. So, parang sinasabi mo dito na you're tired. You're fed up. Diba? Parang pagod ka na. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi, sinasabi dito na there's incoming, pero hindi pa siya nilalahad sa'yo. Kumbaga, sikreto pa lang siya ng universe. Okay? Nakakapagod maghintay. Nakakapagod, lalo na kung pera ito. But, sinasabi ng bara, you need to wait. May pagod na pagod dito na kailangan mo talagang magpahinga. It's either money or it's either relationship. Alright, so reverse na Queen of Pentacles. So, pera talaga siya. So, kung may hinihintay kang pera or ikaw yung hinihintay nila, sinasabi ng bara, if ever na ikaw yung may hawak ng perang ito, sinasabi ng bara na to, you have the power, you have the strength, you have the power, na i-keep siya. Diba? Kung ayaw magbigay ng regalo, okay lang yan. Kung yung mga taong humihingi sa'yo ng regalo, and then you don't like na, parang gusto mong i-keep sa sarili mo, parang iniisip mo na, okay, magbibigay ako ngayon. Pagdating ng January, wala akong pera. So, dito, you have the authority. You have the authority, you have the power na gawin kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong gawin. And if you're waiting for a confirmation, a bonus from your boss, from the company, sinasabi ng bara sa'yo dito na just be patient. Kasi lahat ng pagod mo, lahat ng mga sacrifices mo, ay makukuha mo yung outcome. So, ang kailangan lang dito is pasensya. Okay. Diba? Hindi lang pera yung problema mo dito eh. If you can see, a relationship din eh. So, maybe you're waiting for a call, for a chat, for a confirmation from your spouse, from your relationship. But, until now, you're still waiting. Okay, Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords. So, yung Eight of Swords dito, sinasabi ng bara sa'yo na pwedeng meron kayong mga nararamdamang disappointments, stagnation, or kung ano man siyang nararamdaman nyo na kailangan nyo daw na i-let go. Kasi, yun na nga, you don't have control. So, parang halimbawa, kung may mga hinihintay tayo, make sure na magpasensya. Okay, pasensya na guys, sinisipon ako eh. Alright, ito. Diba? Two of Swords and Eight of Swords, 10. So, sinasabi ng bara sa'yo na you don't need to worry. You don't need to stress. Kasi lahat daw ng mga pinagdadaanan mo sa ngayon ay may ending dyan. Okay? It will end. So, if ever lang may problema ka sa pera, may problema ka sa trabaho, may problema ka sa kapamilya mo, okay lang yan. Alright. Okay, last card natin. Cards pala is Knight of Wands. So, yun. There's someone here na naghihintay ng balita galing sa'yo. There's someone here na nag-aantay ng pera galing sa'yo. Or you. O, diba? You're waiting for money. Or there's someone na naghihintay ng pera galing sa'yo. Nakadepende sa'yo yung nakadepende sa'yo yung happiness nila. Or etong taong to, nakadepende sa kanya yung happiness mo. Sinasabi ng para sa'yo dito na there's someone here na parang tawag dyan, pwedeng mentor mo siya. Mag-iingat ka sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo. You need to be careful sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Kasi minsan, yung mga taong ito, ay wala naman talagang concern. They're parang pushing you sa limit mo para mawala ka sa momentum mo, mawala ka sa purpose mo. So, mag-iingat kayo Kasi eto, if there's a news coming regarding money, and may isang tao dito na sinusulsulan ka, ingat-ingat ka. Kasi pwede kang magkamali and pwede kang mag-isa na lang. Magiging solo ka na lang once na nag-suffer ka. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again. Bye!